Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. To install Stacer, a system optimization and monitoring tool, you need to run the following command. Once Stacer is installed, go into your desktop. There you will see an icon of Stacer. Click on icon and Stacer will be launched. After that, you will see the information about your server, about your system and the network. There are many other features. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.